Servants of modern backpeats, script answers close, vine language like arm's length built in at child's countertop. Back to freak out, and for enough it's never enough. In the house's handling backroom roundabout, it's uncanny, man. It's a can of jam, man. No, I won't tell if you go to hell. Well, I won't go to hell if it, will it? I won't, will you? Happens every slice of heaven comes frustrated down into the tears rain wet all over our skins, sliced up at the grenadier gross of apple bombs, hold out our hands for candy and weeds. We, concurrent and in line, check the queries of our eyes, 40 and fortuitous, noisy, kept down, clawing up in dreams, going on gravestone decisions, going on similar elision, hold it out to the people swing coolly in the back, kitchen counters of your summers, memories all shacked up together somewhere upstairs it seems, and loosely we swallow our dreams, swipe, wake, swindling away, withering and hustling, could it be dreamt more likely in another lifetime than ours? Could it be attempted more blithely with a heavier truckload of flowers? Could we all picture how perfectly we come in contact with our sour, happy credos? Don't bleed on me, you're sickening. Don't sing to me, you're deflated and hissing. Don't creep up on me, I'm itchy all over. Don't suppose it'll be the same as yesterday, or already all over. We, pebble-kicking last remains, lingering malicious and accidental deaths, accidental methods, accidental sled rides, accidental health advice, accidental actuaries, the bottle of gin and tangerines, the tanked-up party handler roaring in, talking up the teetotalers, the talking bavarding, the walking insomniacs, the sloppy formatives, the supposed otherworldly kids, the slip-up saints of tremendous shakes, packaged like peonies lashed to the flat bed of the sky, roots in our oceans of eyebrows, and watch clocks as sandals flop, picket beards, stretch out socks, flick our light switch for the turnaround drunk, hassling a flunky, turnaround drunk, can't fake it well and good, leaving for the others. Mistaken, it's been likened to the soft, maddening, slurred, semi-aphoristic timing in every rhyme before. Rhymes have to be in 4 or 5, unless it's a dive bar time when the last drops quake the clocked-out and juice-dry hankering bondsmen, hacking it in the tubular jingle alley of their lives, with every American soldier waving a dipstick flag wiggling at their side.